Good morning, everyone. Happy Wednesday. We are covering chapter 7 today. So we have, after today, 2 more chapters, and we'll be done with this book. I know a lot of you are super happy about that. But informational texts like this one are super important. So we're going to do chapter 7 today, which is about incredible creatures in the Amazon rainforest. The Amazon rainforest is home to all sorts of amazing animals. They range from harpy eagles that rule the sky to leafcutter ants that clean up the forest. Scientists are still finding new species of animals every year. In 2013, scientists discovered the ulinguito, a member of the raccoon family. It looks like a cross between a teddy bear and a house cat. Although it looks cute and cuddly, it has very large, sharp claws for climbing trees. And here is a picture of what that one looks like. Why are there so many different kinds of animals living in this rainforest? It has to do with the climate. Some climates, like that of the Sahara or the Arctic, make it hard for wildlife to survive. But in the Amazon, the temperatures are warm, there's plenty of rain, and there are many sources of food. There are also different ecosystems within the rainforest, in which creatures can live. An ecosystem is a relationship between all living things, plants, animals, and other organisms, and non-living things, sun, soil, temperature, in an area. In an ecosystem, each of these living and non-living things has a role to play. The rainforest has just the right combination to create a perfect environment for all kinds of mammals, birds, reptiles, amphibians, fish, and insects. There are more than 420 mammal species in the Amazon. That's about the same number of mammal species in the United States. The jaguar is the third largest wild cat in the world, after lions and tigers. This big cat can weigh more than 200 pounds, but it can still climb trees easily. It often ambushes its prey from the cover of leafy trees. Jaguars hunt deer, monkeys, tapirs, and fish. Unlike most of the wildcats, jaguars do not avoid water and are good swimmers. Birds live in every layer of the Amazon rainforest. One of the most unusual is the keel-billed toucan. It is a member of the woodpecker family. Its brightly colored bill makes it stand out in the bird world. It is usually all green, but it can be a mixture of green, yellow, blue, and orange. Even though the toucan's bill can be almost 8 inches long, it is very light. It is made of keratin, the same substance that makes up human hair and fingernails. From the huge green anaconda to the small poison dart frog, there are more than 1,000 species of reptiles and amphibians in the Amazon. The green anaconda is the heaviest snake in the world, and only one snake, the reticulated python, is longer. Green anacondas can grow up to 30 feet long and weigh up to 550 pounds. That's about the weight of 3 men. These snakes spend most of their time hunting the water. They use sight and smell to hunt, but they can also sense heat given off by their prey. Once an anaconda has captured its prey, it squeezes the prey to death. The anaconda then opens its jaw so that its mouth becomes extra wide and it swallows the prey whole, no matter the size. An anaconda can capture and eat a jaguar, and once it's had a meal that large, it can go weeks or months without eating again. Could you guys imagine eating one meal and going months without eating? That's insane. The Amazon River and the smaller rivers and streams that flow into it contain around 3,000 species of freshwater fish. They range in size from the huge arapaima, which can reach a length of almost 15 feet, to the tiny toothpick fish, which is usually only a few inches long. One of the strangest fish that lives in the Amazon is the Payara, or vampire fish. It gets its name from the 2 large fangs on its lower jaw. These fangs can be 4 to 6 inches long. They are so long that there are holes in its upper jaw for them to fit into. Payaras have few enemies. They even prey on piranhas, which are known for their very sharp teeth and powerful jaws. The number of mammals, reptiles, birds, amphibians, and fish in the Amazon is huge, but it is tiny compared to the number of insect species that live there. There are probably around 2.5 million species. All of Europe has 321 species of butterflies, but just one national park in the Amazon rainforest has about 1,300 butterfly species. and scientists are still discovering new species of insects almost every year. The damp and dark conditions in much of the rainforest make it the perfect place for insects. Butterflies and moths enjoy the rain. Beetles and cockroaches have plenty of places to hide in the bushes and trees, and ants and grasshoppers can find plenty of food on the forest floor. So, that is the end of chapter 7. Here are a few notes. The first one is, there are many ecosystems in the rainforest. There are more than 420 mammal species. There are more than 1,000 species of amphibians and reptiles. There are over 3,000 species of freshwater fish and around 2.5 million insect species. So this one's mainly about all the different types of creatures that you can find in the Amazon. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you next time. Bye.